Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, we will explore 4 essential pillars that can lead you to become a millionaire regardless of your salary. The first pillar is frugality. It's crucial to understand where your money goes. Start tracking your spending today. This awareness will help you make better choices. By cutting unnecessary expenses, you can save more. Next, we have aggressive investing. Don't just save your money, grow it. Consider putting a significant portion into stocks or index funds. Historically, these options provide stronger returns than traditional savings accounts. Remember, the sooner you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest. The third pillar is time. The earlier you begin this journey, the more time your money has to grow. Think of investing as planting seeds. With patience and discipline, your investments will flourish over the years. Finally, diversifying your income streams is a game changer. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky. Explore side hustles, passive income opportunities, or even starting your own business. This way you can build wealth on multiple fronts. Throughout this journey, remember to always educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to financial literacy. To recap, focus on frugality, invest aggressively, use time to your advantage, and diversify your income. Implementing these 4 pillars can place you on the path to millionaire status. Thank you for watching. Take the first step now and start implementing these concepts in your life today.